How to make your Roblox game private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. In here, click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen, you will find all these options. In here, simply scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, it will lead you to this page. In here, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions, which is the third option in here. Now, in here, you'll find Private Server and Visibility. Click on Private Server and Visibility. Here, click on Private Server, which is the second option. Then, in here, make sure it's no one. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to make your Roblox game private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.